What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TILSTER, where we help you unleash your potential. Today, I've got 5 quick and easy high-protein breakfast ideas that will help you fuel your mornings and keep you full throughout the day. Whether you're on the go or prepping meals in advance, these recipes are perfect. Let's get cooking. First up, we've got protein pancakes. These are super easy to make and packed with protein to kickstart your day. All you need is 1 banana, 2 eggs, and a scoop of protein powder. Mash the banana, mix it with the eggs, add your protein powder, and cook like regular pancakes. Top with berries or almond butter for some extra flavor. Quick, simple, and delicious. Next, let's make a Greek yogurt parfait. This one is a personal favorite for busy mornings. Layer Greek yogurt with some granola, nuts, and berries for a delicious, high-protein breakfast. You can even add a drizzle of honey or sprinkle some chia seeds for added nutrition. Ready in just a few minutes. Third on the list is egg muffins. These are perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for the entire week. Beat a few eggs, add some chopped veggies, ham or turkey, and cheese if you like. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake for about 20 minutes. These little muffins are loaded with protein and are great for busy mornings. Now, let's whip up a high-protein smoothie. Perfect for when you're in a rush. Throw some frozen berries, a scoop of protein powder, almond milk, and a handful of spinach into the blender. Blend it all together, and you've got a delicious smoothie packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins. You can also add some peanut butter for extra creaminess. Last but not least, we've got overnight oats with protein. This is perfect if you want to prepare your breakfast the night before. Combine oats, almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and your favorite toppings like chia seeds, nuts, or fruit. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you've got a high-protein, ready-to-eat breakfast, and there you have it. 5 quick, high-protein breakfast ideas to fuel your mornings and keep you going strong throughout the day. Whether you need something on the go or a meal you can prep ahead of time, these recipes will help you hit your protein goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TILSTER for more fitness tips and healthy recipes. I'll see you in the next video.